Welcome to Vedic cards. This lecture is basically on Vedic cards and I'll be explaining everything in regard to the Vedic cards. You will be requiring a table and some information which I'll be sending you by text, and you have to keep that particular text in front of you, then you will be able to understand it better. The first and the foremost thing is that there are 72 Vedic cards in total, and out of them you can see some of them are red, some are blue, and some of them are yellow. Red ones are 12, yellow ones are 12, and blue ones are 48 in total. Yellow cards, we say they are the zodiac cards. Red cards are the cards of divinity, and blue cards are the cards related to vision. The Vedic cards are basically are on the basis of predictive Hindu astrology, and we have made these three type of cards, yellow, red and blue, as if they are signs, houses and planets. The yellow ones, which we say is the zodiac cards, you can see these cards are of signs. There are various signs, all there are 12 signs, so there are 12 cards starting from Aries and ending at Pisces. And then there are red cards, cards of divinity, there are 12 cards. These 12 cards, let me show them also. These are the 12 cards, and these 12 cards, you can see them: illusion, sorrow, revolution, beauty, demon, aggression, salvation, wisdom, intellect, king, queen and destruction. So we have not named them as planets, but we have given some other name. This is the card of the king, or we can say this is card of sun. Queen is moon. Aggression is the card of Mars. Then for Rahu we have demon. Here it is demon. And then for Jupiter we have the card of wisdom. This is the wisdom card. Then for Saturn we have sorrow. For Mercury we have intellect. For Ketu we have salvation. And for Venus is the card of beauty. And we have also included Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Uranus is revolution, Neptune is illusion, and Pluto is destruction. As per their own characteristics, we have named these cards. Now going further, when we have made these cards, the picture is also more or less the same. You can see in this picture of the king, there is a king sitting on the throne, and then you can see this is fire, then you can see the sunflowers, and king is strong, you can see that. Similarly, when the card is of queen, you can see moon, you can see water, you can see mother, emotions, etc. Similarly, for Venus or the beauty card, we have all the type of luxuries shown in this particular card. You can see wine, vehicle, women, awards, prizes, ornaments, money, everything shown, and the person is sitting with luxury. So these are the 12 cards of planets, and I have sent you the text. You can see the text also. Corresponding name of the planet is shown with this corresponding name, and then we have these blue cards. These blue cards are of houses, or we can say the vision cards, and they are 12 multiplied by 4. Like we have this card of Earth. This is the 4th house. You can see this card's picture. When you see, then you see there is mother, vehicle, property. The characteristic of all the 4th house are shown pictorially. Then it is evil. Evil is the 6th. So it is litigation. Then there are 4 cards of love, which correspond to the 5th house. The pregnant women, love, spirituality, speculation. Then mystic, it is the 8th house. You can see person falling, so it is obstacles, tensions, hidden wealth, death. Then profusion is the 2nd house. You can see it is the money, family, education, face, all shown. Then death is the 12th. You can see this imprisonment, going overseas, death, loss, hidden enemy, all shown. Then 10th is card of authority, that is the 10th house. Then blessings is the 9th house. You can see father, guru, long travel, higher education, all shown in this particular card. Then this is the 11th one, desires, fulfillment of desires, associates, friends, gains, etc. shown. Even elder brother, sister, and rising in anything. And interaction is the card of house number 3. You can see neighbor, younger brother, sisters, short travel, communication. Companion is the 7th house. It shows marriage, open war, money, business, etc. And the 1st house is also there. This is soul. So 1st house card is soul. So this you have to remember from 1 to 12, which house. Even if you are not remembering the house, you will be able to see by the pictures also what this card what this card means, or what this house means. It's all the same. If this card comes, you can know, or you will be able to understand this is the 5th house, or you can say this is the card of love. You can also say, see, this is spirituality, bull and bear as shown. So you will be able to know what this card means. By the pictures you will be able to understand, and if you are well conversant with the basic astrology, then you will be able to tell more things which are not even shown in the picture. Everything cannot come into the picture. So we have made these cards, we have made these pictures of our own and designed the system also. This is about the basic meaning of cards, names, etc. Now coming on to the predictive part. So there are 2 types of predictive techniques available in Vedic astrology. One is the long one and one is the short one. Long one, when I say long one means if someone asks a question and we have to predict the period also, then we'll take the long method. Period means if someone says, when will I be able to purchase a property, right? So in such a case, we will have to predict the period of property also, when he is going to purchase the property. But if the question is yes or no, then we can take the short method. Short method means the question is, say, will I be able to clear the examination? So we have not to tell the time. He has already given the examination. So answer is in yes or no. Then we are not going to use the long method. We will be using the short method only. So first I will explain the long method, then I will explain the short method, and then we will go further. So what we will do for all the long and the short methods, yellow cards will not be used. Yellow cards will be used afterwards. So I'll keep the yellow cards aside, and these are the cards blue and red. I can shuffle them. So there are in 60 in total. So I can shuffle these cards, I can ask a question, and then I can get an answer. Vedic cards prediction is like the Prashna chart. As in Prashna chart, we are very much particular about that the question should be serious. The question should be serious. In Vedic card prediction also the question has to be serious. This is the first and the foremost thing. So whatever are the horary rules or principles which are important should be used in Vedic card also, otherwise the prediction may go wrong. So in Prashna chart also the question should be serious, the person himself should approach you, and we can predict on the basis of his Prashna, answer of his question. And now after shuffling the card, now I will proceed further asking the question. So first and the foremost thing is that the person should ask the question, and after he has asked the question, then you have to shuffle the cards. So first and the foremost thing is, for an example, the person has come to us and he is asking the question. So what we will do, we will let him ask the question and then we will answer his query. So first and the foremost thing, we have to shuffle the cards. Then we will have to place the card. Now he has asked the question. So let us take an example. The example is when my son will get a job. For example, the question is when my son. So when he has come, that means it is a long method. So after shuffling the cards, we place the cards in front. As they are placed now in front of you, the cards are placed. Now we will tell the querist to take out a red card. So this is the red card. So we will tell him to take out the red card. So this card is of salvation. So the text is given to you. When the card is salvation, then you have to open blue cards. After red card, you have to open the blue cards. So once he has opened this red card, we will place this red card. This time I am doing it. But when the person who has come, we will tell him to open the cards. And if he is not there, we can open the cards on his behalf. But first we will doing means like he is opening the card. He has opened the card salvation. So what we will do, we will tell him to open blue cards. So let us open one card. So blue one. So this is open now. The card is authority. Then we will tell him to open another card. This is profusion. Then we will tell him to open another card. Evil. Another card. Again profusion. Now when the repeated card has come, now we will stop in case of salvation. So salvation is the card of Ketu and then another card of Rahu. That is demon. In case of salvation card, what we will do, we will go on opening the cards till the card is repeated. Now perfusion card is repeated, so we will stop opening the blue cards. Now in this particular card you see salvation, authority, profusion, evil and profusion. These cards have come. Now as you know about Nadi astrology, you will be able to understand authority is the 10th house, second house is money, 6th house is job. Otherwise also you can see these cards are positive. See, authority is there, you can see money, family is there in the profusion, and evil is one negative card you can say, but when 6th house is with positive houses, or this card also shows job, the person is doing some job there you can see. So this is The answer is that this particular the answer of this question till these cards we have shown, this is the current situation. So in the long method, when we have opened the first series of card, one red and other blues, this particular line shows the situation currently. Current situation is that salvation means, and Ketu means confusion, and 2, 6, 10 means that the person is firm and strong to get a job. But this is the today's situation. Now we will have to go and see the further situation. Further situation means we will tell him to open a red card again, and then we will see the path, and this will be the second line. So let's go for the second line. We will tell him to open another card. This is card of wisdom. This is the red card. Again we will tell him to open a red card. This is wisdom, and we will tell him to open 3 cards now. So in the text which I have emailed you or sent you by post, this will show when the wisdom card will be there, then how many cards we have to open. If another card is there, how many we have to open. So in case of wisdom, we have to open 3 cards. This is Jupiter. So 1 placement and 2 rashis. So one is love, another is desire, another is death. So with the wisdom card, 3 other cards have come: love, desire and death. So this is what is 11 is realization of desires, 12 is expenditure, 5 is love, means help, you can say. So he'll get some help somewhere. This is the path. Now we'll open the last line. Last line. Another we'll have to tell him to open a red card. So we have opened a red card. This is revolution. And then a blue one. And another blue one. So we'll open just 2 cards here. So 10 and 1. So 10 1 means positive. 10 is authority, 10th house, 1 is self. So the final result is, the answer is positive. The present situation is the first line. So that was positive. Second line is the path. So that is also positive. And third line is also positive. That means he will get the job. And the job will be good. Why the job will be good? Because there are no negative cards. And 10th means or authority means whatever be the type of the job he will be looking for, he will get. The present situation is positive. The path is positive. Path will obviously mean he will go and give some interviews, examination, etc. So realization of desires is there. And 10 is means whatever or wherever he will want, he will be able to get that sort of a job. So this is the answer. Now after this, then we'll have to see the timing of the event, right? So in case of timing of event, the first card will show the timing of the event. The timing of the event will be shown by the first card. So I've sent you the text. Salvation card is for 1.5 years. So the answer is 1.5 years. But this 1.5 years answer will not be very much welcomed, because if he is not in job, he will be trying to get a more closer or a precise answer as to when he will get the job, in which month or end of this year, middle of this year. At least if we can get an idea of 2-3 months, it will be a very welcome situation. So in such a case, we will be using the yellow cards for telling the answer precisely. So what we will do, we will take these yellow cards for precise answer. The answer has come that it will happen in 1.5 years. But when in 1.5 years, then we will have to use these yellow cards. So we will open these yellow cards, shuffle it, and then we will tell him to open 1 card. So let us open this 1 card. So the answer is Sagittarius, or the card is Sagittarius. So Sagittarius will be, can be 2 answers. either we can say in the ninth month, depending on the question, or we can say when the sun enters the Sagittarius. So it is, the answer is the ninth month, or we can say September, or we can say December, depending upon the question. Means if the question is asked in October, so if Sagittarius has come, we can have an idea, because if the answer is, see, the possibility of happening the event is within 1 year, then it cannot be December next, then it is December today only, or it cannot be September. It can be not so far if the cards are positive. So the answer is September in this case. So now it is January 2015, so he will get the job in September. So the child is still studying, so in the final year, and this education will get completed, or graduation will get completed in by June, July. So he'll get the job in September. This is the answer. Now this is how we will do the long answers. Let us sum up what I have told, that when the person will come, we will ask him the question, then we will shuffle the cards, the blue and the red ones, and then we will tell him to open these cards after placing him on the table. We will tell him to open the card. So first he will open a red card, and on the basis of the red card we will have to open the blue card. This is beauty, so we will have to open 3 blue cards. So we will analyze them and tell the present situation. Then we will again open red card, and then 2 blue cards, or 3, or as number of them as I have told in the text. So this is king, there will be 2 blue cards, then another red card, and on the basis of red cards we have to open the blue cards. In this case 2 blue cards have to be opened. So this is the answer. First is the situation now, second is the path, and the third row will be the result. So let us take one more example, telling about the timing of the event. So now it is beauty, so the timing of the event is within 1 year, and we have to answer precise month. Then we will be using the yellow cards for predicting the event more precisely. Now let us do one more example. So we shuffle the card, and the question is, when will I go overseas to teach? So there are 2-3 places where people are asking me to come and teach. So the question is, when will I be able to go abroad to teach? Right? So we'll place the cards. And as the question is going about abroad, then you have to remember, according to Nadi astrology, the answer is when 3, 9, 12 and 7 houses will come, then the answer will be positive. This you will have to keep in mind. So it will be easier for you to predict. So now we will be asking the person to open a red card. So the red card has been opened. This is wisdom. And we have to open 3 cards now. 1, 2, 3, 3 blue cards. So blue cards show desire, companion and interaction. So they are positive cards. The interaction is positive. It looks that you will go recently. It looks to be. But if it will happen or not, we open the cards further. The Jupiter, desire, in the 11, 7 and 3, for desire, companion and interaction. This shows that companion means there can be someone who will be associated with you to get this job done. Now we'll open another red card. This is sorrow. Then 3 more cards: profusion, earth and death. So this is, these 2 and 4 are related to education, 12 is related to overseas. Now we'll about the result, we'll open another red card. Red card is beauty, then we open another three cards, sorry. Authority, earth and evil. So authority, earth and evil when we have opened. Authority means strong enough, earth means remaining or within the country. So earth means fourth house and sixth is effort only. So we have not found any major card which shows going abroad in the result. That means there is no possibility of going abroad in recent times, but it shows education because fourth house is education, second is education, and the answer is you will not be able to go. It is not that he will never go. The answer is wisdom, means this card is for 1 year, so he will not be able to or go for 1 year overseas for teaching outside. So this is the answer. Now here we have not to open the yellow card because this answer is for the 1 year, and if he'll go after that, it is up to him. Now if he asks, yes, one thing more. Now okay, after 1 year, is there any possibility? Then we'll tell him to open another card. This we can do. Another card like this card has opened. Now we can tell him to open blue cards, any number of them. More number of them, because in case of salvation, then we have to open the card till repeat card comes. So we will be opening. Now the repeat card has come. Repeat card is of 9, means long travel, and 12 is also long travel. That means after 1 year there is all the possibility of going abroad for teaching, not before that. So after 1 year is there, yes, it is possible that he may not even go after 1 year. So after 1 year, salvation card is of 1.5 years. So after a year, within 1.5 years, there is all the possibility of going abroad. Now let us take another example. All these questions are hypothetical, so do not take it otherwise. Now question is about when my daughter will get married. Now again, when is there, that we have to pinpoint the time. So we'll open a red card. Red card is beauty, then 3 blue cards, blessings, authority, evil. So here 10 and 6, as per your own knowledge of Nadi astrology, these are negative cards. So at this moment, she doesn't want to get married. There is no air of marriage in the house. Now another red card will tell one aggression, and then 3 blue cards, blessing, mystic and authority. So the path is also negative. That means no possibility. And then we'll ask about the result. We'll take out the result. So last card is red, is demon. Now we'll be opening a number of cards till the card is repeated. So it is earth, profusion, soul, mystic, again mystic. So here which houses have come? 1, 8, 4. 4 is own house, 1 is doesn't want to marry, 4th is 8th is also obstacles, 2 is family only. So here also there is no much indication of marriage is coming. So that means within 1 year, because this beauty card is for 1 year, within 1 year marriage cannot happen. Now if the querist asks, please see after 1 year, then we can ask to open another red card. So let us open another red card. So this is illusion, and 2 blue, interaction and interaction again. So after 1 year also, this illusion card is up to 3 years. The timing is 3 years. So the result is interaction only, means we will be interacting, but still marriage is not seen. Again, if he asks after 3 years, so again we can go. So there one card of sorrow, that is the red card, and one blue, another blue, and another blue. So here also the answer is not coming positive. So there is all the possibility that 4-5 years the marriage will not take place. But do not go any further. You tell him to come afterwards. So 4-5 years the possibility of marriage is not seen. So this is the answer. So this is the long method in which we have tried to predict about the event of life and also the timing. And after this we can go for a short method which is yes or no. For an example, who will win the election in Delhi? So shuffle the card, keep the card. So we cannot say who. Even who else we also say if first we'll take it like this, that the person wants to know about the party he wants wins. Means like there are two major parties in Delhi. One is Aam Aadmi Party and one is BJP party, and he wants to know, will BJP win the election? So we will open one red card, and on the basis of we will open blue cards. Secondly, he is not having any inclination for who will win, then we will open cards for BJP also and Aam Aadmi Party also. So let us do it one by one. The first method in which he wants that BJP should win. So let us see whether BJP will win or not. So we will tell him to open a red card. So red card is sorrow, and then blue is interaction, another blue is death, and another blue is profusion. So this shows interaction, profusion, death. So these are very normal type of cards, means they are not neither negative nor positive. So there will be hairline situation in case of the election. Now another method is, but this is a little more positive because negative are not there. So possibility is that it wins, but on a very thin margin. Now if another case, in case if the both he is not he doesn't want any party to win, he just want to check it up whether Aam Aadmi Party will win or BJP will win. So we'll open two rows. We'll tell him to open first for one party and then for another party. Let the party be BJP. Let us say he first opens for BJP. Now it is aggression, then blue cards, blessing, mistake, and desire. So this is for the BJP. Now we'll open for Aam Aadmi Party. Red is illusion, and blue companion and love. So when we compare these two cards, we find that the upper card of BJP, upper line of BJP, aggression, blessing, mistake, and desire, because their desire has come 9, 8, and 11. So the cards are more positive for BJP. Companion and love, 5 and 7 are lesser positive. That means BJP will be surely winning the election. Now here because we have not to time the event, the question and answer was in yes or no, we will be using this particular method. So these are two methods. Now we will go and try to understand about further questions, and the further question is about the matching of horoscope. So if there is a question, if someone asks us, will that boy will be proved to be a good husband for my daughter or not, so we will do in a separate way. So there is another video I will be making for that. Thank you for attending this video. So I will be sending another video